Hello! I believe that you now know how to write your numbers in tens and units, and you understand the place and the value of the numbers. Today, I will teach you how to add two-digit numbers by writing them in columns. Two-digit numbers are two digits, like we have 33 and 46. 33 plus 46. First, we label the place value, tens and units. Let me tell you how to count so that you will make no mistake. Draw a line and label it tens and units. Count your balls or circles or strokes, whatever you are using to count, in under each place value. In the unit place, we have 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus means count together, so we count our circles together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units. 3 plus 6 units equals to 9 units. In the tens column, that's the tens place, we count the first number 1, 2, 3, plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count together 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. There are 7 tens in the tens place. 33 plus 46 equals to 79. 12 plus 73. Tens and units. Draw the line and draw another line over it. Tens and units. Starting from the units place, we count 2. 1, 2. But there is a way to count and count faster, so that you can be fast when you are counting. Whenever you are adding, look at the numbers that you want to add. In this case, we have 2 and 2, then 3. Don't count the bigger number. Count the smaller. 1, 2. How do you then count together? You know this is 3, so you start counting from 3. 3, 4, 5. 2 units plus 3 units equals to 5 units. Also, in the tens place, we have 1 plus 7. 1 10 and 7 tens. The bigger number is 7, so we will not count. We'll count one circle. 1. Count together 7, 8. 1 plus 7 equals to 8. Do we only have to add 2 numbers? No, you see, we have 3 numbers to add here. So there are times that you can add 3 or 4 or 5 numbers. Just follow the same step and you will get them correctly. To still have same tens and units. Just that in this case, we have 3 numbers to add. 3 numbers under each column. Same method. Draw a line over it. Label tens and units. Here we have 3 numbers to add. 2, 4, and 1. Let's count 2 circles. 1, 2, 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 circle. 1. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 7 units. 7 units. In the tens place, we'll count 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. 12 plus 24 plus 51 equals to 87. But what do we do when, in some cases, the digits get in the way of another digit, like tens and units? We draw a line, tens and units. Starting from the units place, we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. But there can only be one digit in a place at a time. Don't forget the place value house rule. Do we then write 0, 1? Where do we write 1 plus 7? Do we write it here or on top of this? No. I will teach you how to add 2-digit numbers when a digit gets in the way of another digit in the next lesson. Make sure you